Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. You're watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen. Today in Balghari Kitchen, I bring another super duper recipe, which is Middle Eastern chicken Bukhari rice. So I'm going to make chicken Bukhari rice in Balghari Kitchen. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe Balghari Kitchen. And thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. So I'm going to show you what are the key ingredients needs. Here I have already soaked basmati rice. Chicken I cut already. Some carrot I julienne cuts. Some onions slices. Raisins. Fresh coriander. Green chili. Black pepper. Ghee. Onion I make already brown. Chicken stock powder. Coriander powder. Chili powder. Dry lemon and star anise, cinnamon and bay leaves. Tomato paste. Cumin seeds, cloves and peppercorn, cardamom, salt, garlic powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, chicken stock powder. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe, chicken Bukhari rice. So viewers, let's start our cooking. Adding some ghee in the pan. I'm using ghee. You can use also oil. Adding onion into it and saute until it's little golden brown. Peppercorn, cumin seeds and cloves. Add also dry lemon, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, star anise, all. Saute together with the onion. Keep stirring openly. Add cardamoms, ginger garlic paste. Mix nicely together. Coriander powder, chili powder, black pepper, chicken stock. Mix nicely. Some turmeric powder, garlic powder, salt. Mix together all. Add water little. Mix together. Time to add the chicken. Add the chicken. Mix together all with the spices and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Frying pan, add oil, make it hot, and then I'm going to fry our carrots. Fry the carrots until it's soft. Add the raisins as well with the carrot. This will give savory flavor in the rice. So now I'm going to remove from the heat. Put separately in plates. Keep separate. Now we'll remove the chicken and we'll put in the oven. Let's put it here. Now the chicken I'm going to put in the oven for 15 minutes. Look at this. Now here I'm going to add the hot water. So I kept 3 cups of rice. So I make 6 cups of water. So now time to add the rice. I'm going to add the rice and cook the rice. Cook the rice for 10 to 15 minutes. Add some tomato paste on it. Add some fresh chili. So viewers, let's check our chicken. Oh my god, it's quite hot. It's almost ready. So our chicken, look at this. Our chicken is ready. So viewers, let's check our rice. Wow, it's already Ready. Switch off the flame, and then we're going to dish out. Let's dish out our rice. Very fragrant rice. Very nice. And turn on the plate this way, so upside down. Move it upside down this way, and slowly remove the bowl. So this is our Bukhari rice. Adding the chicken, some coriander, some brown onion, and the most important, which is fried raisin and carrot, which make them very delicious. Our chicken Bukhari rice is ready. Viewers, look at this delicious chicken Bukhari rice ready in Balghari kitchen. Let's taste some. So quite hot. Mmm, it's really delicious. So you can make this recipe in your kitchen. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen always for new coming recipes. Thank you for subscribe Balghari Kitchen, and thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Let's try this delicious dish in Balghari Kitchen. Mmm.